Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course to share this video. So you guys, MPILO's daughter MPILO recently did an Instagram live where she did a Q&A from her fans. You guys, now she revealed that she is not really being 100% on the show. Or rather, you guys, she is not giving viewers or fans her real life. She reveals that she only shows some parts of her life that she wants people to see. She gave an example of how even the Kardashians only gives us viewers the kind of content that they want us to see, you guys. So up next, I'm just gonna go ahead and insert the little snippet clip of MPILO detailing that. But before I do that, do make sure that you subscribe, you like, and of course you do share this video so that you do not miss out whenever I try and upload a new video. Please do check this out, you guys.
So private for a reality show. Well, we're not obligated to share every facet of our lives, are we? Guys, I don't believe that I am. I mean, I'll literally I would like to remain. I would like to maintain the semblance of privacy that I have. I'm sorry, guys. I can't publicize everything. Kardashian have my private things getting below up. It's really not that deep. It seems scripted. Oh, I'm here to tell you, my baby, it's not. I know it would seem so, but it's not. Be right, my baby.